The real estate market is currently abuzz, with news of a revolutionary compact living solution now available for just $6,789. This innovative approach to housing could potentially transform how we address one of society's most persistent challenges, making homeownership accessible to more people. As property values continue their upward climb while wages remain stagnant, traditional homeownership has become increasingly out of reach for many. This new development offers a glimmer of hope, presenting a viable path to property ownership for first-time buyers and those struggling with financial limitations. The concept originates from one of today's most forward-thinking innovators, known for disrupting multiple industries including electric vehicles, space technology, and renewable energy. Now turning attention to the housing crisis, the vision is to create dwellings that are not only affordable but also sustainable and adaptable to modern living requirements. The project emerged through collaboration with a company specializing in modular, foldable home designs. These compact residences are engineered to be economical, environmentally conscious, and remarkably simple to assemble, providing an attractive alternative for new buyers, renters, or those seeking to simplify their lifestyle. At the heart of this initiative is a 375-square-foot dwelling that maximizes functionality within its compact dimensions. The interior layout has been meticulously planned to ensure efficient use of every available inch. Multifunctional furniture serves dual purposes, providing both comfort and storage solutions. The living space has been designed to feel cozy yet practical, accommodating the needs of contemporary living without unnecessary excess. The kitchen area, while modest in size, comes fully equipped with essential appliances including a 2-burner induction cooktop, a compact refrigerator, and a durable stainless steel sink. Clever storage solutions keep cooking utensils and supplies neatly organized, maintaining an uncluttered environment. The bathroom design similarly prioritizes functionality within limited space, featuring a standard shower, water-efficient fixtures, and a space-saving toilet, all designed to deliver comfort without compromising on quality. Environmental sustainability forms a fundamental aspect of the design philosophy. High-performance insulation ensures excellent energy efficiency, significantly reducing heating and cooling requirements. For those seeking greater energy independence, the option to integrate solar panels allows for near-complete off-grid capability. Personalization options are available, enabling buyers to select preferred finishes for flooring and cabinetry, ensuring each unit can reflect individual tastes and preferences. Perhaps the most groundbreaking aspect is the revolutionary assembly process. Utilizing advanced folding technology, each unit can be compacted to just 8 feet in width for transportation, dramatically reducing delivery costs. Once positioned on a prepared foundation, the home can be fully assembled and made ready for occupancy within a single day, a stark contrast to traditional construction timelines that often span several months. When compared to conventional housing, the advantage has become immediately apparent. Standard home construction typically costs between $150 to $250 per square foot and requires 6 months to a year for completion. This innovative alternative comes in at approximately $18 per square foot and can be ready for habitation in a fraction of the time. A professional installation team handles all necessary utility connections, including electrical, plumbing, and sewage systems. The streamlined construction process minimizes labor expenses and material waste, presenting a significantly more economical solution for budget-conscious consumers. While other companies offer prefabricated small homes, none match the combination of affordability, rapid deployment, and transportability that this model provides. As minimalist living continues gaining popularity, this innovation stands poised to redefine expectations for alternative housing solutions. The potential implications for urban development and community planning are substantial, possibly heralding a new era in residential design. The base price of $6,789 includes the core structure and essential interior components. However, optional upgrades and customizations can increase the total investment. Solar panel systems, for instance, may add $4,000 to $8,000 to the overall cost, while premium interior finishes could require an additional expenditure of several $1,000s. These modifications allow buyers to tailor the space to their specific needs, while still maintaining costs well below traditional housing prices. A critical consideration for potential buyers is the requirement for land. Prospective owners must either already possess or separately acquire a suitable plot for installation. Land costs vary dramatically depending on location, ranging from a few $1,000s in rural areas to six-figure sums in urban centers. Utility connections represent another expense, typically falling between $1,500 and $5,000, though this can increase significantly if substantial site preparation or infrastructure upgrades are necessary. Transportation expenses for delivering the unit to its final location may range from $500 to $2,500 depending on distance. Despite these additional costs, the total investment remains substantially lower than conventional home purchases, which currently average around $400,000 nationally. With traditional mortgage payments often exceeding $1,500 monthly, this compact living solution presents a far more accessible entry point into homeownership, particularly for those currently priced out of the housing market. The initiative does face certain challenges that must be addressed for widespread adoption. Zoning regulations in many municipalities currently restrict where these dwellings can be placed, potentially limiting options for prospective buyers. Financing presents another hurdle, as most traditional lenders aren't equipped to handle loans for non-standard properties. The development of specialized financial products may be necessary to make these homes accessible to a broader demographic. Notwithstanding these obstacles, the potential impact of this innovation is substantial. By offering an affordable, sustainable alternative to conventional housing, it could open the door to homeownership for countless individuals and families currently excluded from the market. The implications extend beyond individual buyers, potentially influencing broader trends in urban development and community planning. This compact living solution represents more than just an affordable housing option. It embodies a fundamental rethinking of what homeownership can look like in the 21st century. By combining cost-effectiveness with sustainability and adaptability, it challenges long-held assumptions about residential living. As housing affordability continues to dominate public discourse, innovations like this may well point the way toward more inclusive solutions for the future. The question now is whether consumers are ready to embrace this new vision of homeownership. Could you see yourself living in a compact, efficiently designed home at this price point? The answer to that question may determine not just the success of this particular initiative, but the future direction of housing innovation more broadly. As this development continues to evolve, it will be fascinating to observe how the market responds and what new possibilities emerge in the quest to make homeownership achievable for all.